Welcome to ECT Laboratory. In this video I am going to show you how to write Verilog HDL module for 3 to 8 decoder using model SIM. First we discuss decoder. Two diagrams of decoder. A number of standard combination logic function has been deployed for digital circuit that repeats many of the useful tasks that can be performed with digital circuits. Decoder detects the presence of particular binary state and can active other circuit based on their input value or can convert an input code to different output code. The general function of a decoder is to active one or more circuit output upon detecting of a particular digital state. The simplest decoder is a single logic gate such as NAND, OR and house output active when all the inputs are high. When combined with one or more inverters, a NAND or AND can detect any unique combination of binary input value. An extension of this type of decoder is a device containing several such gates, each of which responds to different input state. Usually for a n-bit input there is 2 n logic gates, each of which decodes are different combinations of input variable. Some type of decoder translate binary input to other forms, such as decoder that drives 7-segment numerical display. The decoder has one output for every segment in the display. These segments illustrate in unique combinations of each input code. Now I am going to model SIM to write Verilog module for 3 to 8 decoder. So here click on model SIM shortcut. After opening the software, goes to file to new to project, press yes. So I type DEC4, press OK, then create new file. Here is the file name is ECO, add file type as Verilog, press OK, close this window. Here is our Verilog decoder file. You can see type is Verilog. Right click and press on edit. So here is our edit window. For the sake of time save, I already write Verilog module for 3 to 8 decoder. So here is our 3 to 8 decoder. So right select and copy, comes to our edit window, right click here and paste. So this is our 3 to 8 decoder. First line I type module V underscore decoder underscore 1, 2 inputs SEL and RES. Input is 1 SEL and output is RES. So input has 3 bit and output has 8 bits and one RES 8 bit register. After the first line I assign SEL as input of 3 bits and RES output as 8 bits and RES is 8 bit register. Then I type always add SEL or SES and begin the module, and then I apply case statement in Verilog HDL module, and SEL is our input. So in case statement SEL, if 3-bit input is 0 0 0, then our RES output of decoder is 0 7 0 and 1 at LSB. In second case, if SEL is 0 0 1, then the output of our decoder is 0 0 0 6 0 1 and 0 at LSB. In third case or third input combination 0 1 0, then the output combination is 0 0 0 6 0 and 5 0 and 1 and then 2 zeros. In fourth case our input combination is 0 1 1 and the output combination is 4 0 and 1 and 000. In fifth combination 1 0 0 of SEL, then the output RES is equal to 000 1 and 4. In sixth combination that the input SEL is equal to 101 combination and the output combination is equal to 001 and 50. In seventh combination of input 110 SEL is equal to RES 01 and 7 6 zeros. In last combination we put default mean 111 is equal to RES and the output combination is 1 at most significant bit and all zeros. After that I type AND case and module. So you can understand Verilog module for 3 to 8 decoder. Now I am going to compile this module by right clicking on my file, and here is compile and compile selected. So you can see in green color compile or eco.p was successful. So after compilation we are going to simulate our module. Now I am going to work to vdecoder_1 module. Our module name is vdecoder_1. So double click on this module. So this is our simulation layout comes. Now I am going to add to wave all items in regions. So you can see our wave window comes. So here is our output combination and here is our input combination. So now I am going to press run button. So you can see there are 4 inputs, 3 inputs and 8 outputs. Press run again. So you can see when I press run button, every time the 100 nanosecond signal drawn in the wave window. Now you can change the color of inputs and outputs and many other addition in this video by clicking right click here, object declaration, add data flow, edit, view, edX, format, combination, combine signal, group, force, no force, clock, properties. You can add everything in this simulation. Now I am signing out by promising to meet you again very soon with another video. Till then, if you are watching on YouTube, please do not forget to hit like button and share my video. Thank you.